Give me scars, ma'am. Hit me, ma'am. Hit me.
Aman, once
Hit
again,
me
I'm
with a
getting
whip.
call. There is
No,
a call.
ma'am, no. This is my lawyer calling.
No,
I
Aman,
don't want
it's
him,
my
ma'am.
boss's call.
Please
Let
hit
me
me.
attend it.
Please.
One second. Yeah. No, I'm free.
But
You
what
can
about my
absolutely send
punishment?
me. Yeah.
Come on, open this at least. What are you doing?
This is not working out, Aman.
What do you mean?
Means it's not working out.
Us.
Yeah.
Why are you going off the point here? All of this because of your microwaves
No, it's not about microwave, Aman. Just have a look at the house. You don't take any responsibility.
Okay.
What is okay? We live like animals over here. Did you pay electricity bill?
Did you take leave from the office?
It means you have not paid the bill.
No, that's not the point.
That is the point. I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll do it all, but you do nothing.
Tell me one thing. Are you breaking up with me because I didn't pay the
No.
electricity bill? Then?
Electricity, microwave is not the point.
Then?
The point is effort, which you don't put in. So think about it.
Effort. Let's talk about effort. No, Vinay, you want to talk about effort, no? So let's talk. Tell me, when was the last time we went on a date? You don't remember, right?
I don't have time,
Exactly, you
Aman.
don't have the time. That's what I'm saying. You don't have time.
I don't have time because I have to work and I don't have an option.
Oh, come on, but you don't
Dude,
work.
if you have problem, why don't you speak up?
I'm speaking up.
Learn to communicate.
I am
You
communicate-
don't speak.
You know what? You are right. And I'm wrong, always. I'm sorry.
And like always, if there is an issue, you sweep it under the rug and we both live in denial, and that is why we are the fucked up couple we are.
Oh, no. That's not the reason we are a fucked up couple. Do you want to know why we are a fucked up couple? Because you don't have a time. All I'm asking is for your time. No? Whenever I come to you, you are on your laptop or cell phone.
So what should I do? Should I leave my job?
At least give me your time.
So what do we do then?
I don't know. This is nice.
This is just the first step. And I think it's sweet and simple. I don't even remember the last time we hold hands.
If we were in school, this would be called first base.
You promised no judgments.
I'm not judging.
You are.
First base is good.
Yeah, thank you.
You are welcome. Wait up. Just try.
Sorry, can we just not hold?
Oh, come on. This is simple and sweet.
Just one thing I won't be able to have.
Come on, now no judgments. What is this about?
Aman, I hate you. Stop it.
Okay, yeah. Welcome to your first beer yoga session. Get relaxed with your backs erect.
Don't you have a spine for that? And I had no idea that beer yoga is a real thing.
I've told you about it.
So why haven't we done it before? That's what she said.
Can you please focus?
Sorry.
Reach out for your beers, take a sip and drink. You look so beautiful.
Many thank you for that, handsome.
I haven't even brushed yet.
Really?
Of course. We aren't animals. Hygiene is important.
Romance is also a thing, right?
Bina,
Yeah.
is that us?
Yeah.
Did you actually record us?
So what? I told you.
I suck at dancing and you?
That is why I recorded, right?
I don't believe it. You actually did that.
You can't dance seriously.
See, but you can surely move, yeah?
Duh. We have changed a lot, right?
Yes, we have. We have changed. Only that you have become way more hotter. And that's your question.
Well played.
I know I'm right. Still got it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ma'am, please forgive me, ma'am. I didn't do anything.
Do it then.
Oh.
Why didn't you do anything?
Madam, what crime did I commit?
The crime you committed is that you're too hot.
Okay, ma'am. I want to be punished for my crimes.
What punishment do you want?
Scars. Give me scars, ma'am. Hit me, ma'am. Hit me.
Aman, one
Hit
second,
me
I'm
with a
getting
whip.
call. There is a
No,
call.
ma'am, no. This is my lawyer calling.
No,
I don't
Aman,
want
it's
him,
my
ma'am.
boss's call.
Please
Let
hit
me attend it.
Please.
One second. Yeah. No, I'm free.
But
You
what
can
about my
absolutely send
punishment?
me. Yeah.
Come on, open this at least. Veena.
Yeah, sir, it will be done. It will be done today. I'm working on it now.
Heck, man.
Okay, sure, I'll send options as well. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye. Good night. So, are you ready to confess your crimes?
Open these.
Aman, I'm sorry, but
Veena, please.
we can try once more, right?
Veena, can you please open it? It's hurting.
Aman, I'm really sorry. I didn't remember he would call at this time.
This is exactly what I was talking about.
God, I said I'm sorry, no, right? It was really important to me.
I don't want to talk, just go.
Fine. We won't talk because you never want to talk. Okay then, we'll leave it now.
Oh, come on, seriously? How do you manage this? You made a mistake, but you are scolding me.
I went out to attend my work call, that is my mistake.
No, not avoiding. It is your mistake. Only I am trying, right? I'm putting in so many efforts. You can also do something,
Oh
right?
yeah, clearly I haven't put any efforts.
Oh, come on. What is this behavior? You speak about efforts, but you don't make any. Have you heard of that proverb? That it takes two to tango? The same thing goes for the relationships. You and I will do this together. We will make combined efforts. After that, relationship will work out. I can't do this alone. Do you get it? What are you looking at? Say
What
something.
should I say, Aman? For one mistake, I've said 1,000 times sorry to you. Efforts? I was the one who found the article. Just fuck it. There's no point in this conversation now.
Veena, the article is not a solution, right? And maybe you're right. We are just pretending to be happy. We are not happy anymore. Right?
Yeah, you're right. We're just pretending to be happy and we are not the couple we used to be.
Great timing for a power cut.
Why didn't you pay the bill then?
Seriously, you want to get at me right now?
Yeah, because you want everything on the platter. Deal with it now. Yeah, sir, I have sent it. Okay, if there are corrections, I'll send it now. Sir, actually, I'll send it a bit later. Yeah, okay.
Is it made well? Should I make you another?